Today, let's practice the similar word. Eat, share, wet, bad, ice, right, light, free, they. That's all for today. Thank you.